Hello everyone, and I welcome you all once again back to Jabi's kitchen. You must be wondering, what do I have here with me? This is a magical tea. Yes, it is a magical tea because it will give you what you want. That is, it will lose your extra fats what you have. So I have come up with the slimming tea, also called as cinnamon tea, which will make you look fit and fine, and also this has got many antioxidants. It is very good for your heart. It is very good for your hormones. If you have thyroid problem, if you have diabetes problem, it will make wonders with your hormones and give you very good results with your hormones as well. It will regularize your hormones. You will feel changes in a better way. So do try this recipe. Let's quickly see the ingredients for making this magical drink, that is slimming tea. So here it is. Hello everyone, and I welcome you once again back to Jabi's kitchen. Yes, this is in fact a magical drink. You will love to drink, you will enjoy the taste, plus you will get the magical effect of slimming. इस टी से आपको स्लिमिंग दैट इज़ वेट लॉस तो होगा ही, लेकिन इसका टेस्ट भी आपको बड़ा पसंद आएगा. तो जल्दी से शुरुआत करते हैं बनाने की. Let's begin. So for our slimming tea, what we are going to need is honey, shahad. This is the magic ingredient, that is cinnamon, dalchini, around 2 sticks, ginger, adrak. I have cut in thin slices like this. Instead of cinnamon sticks, you can also use cinnamon powder, which I have grinded at home. 250 ml of water. So let's quickly begin making our slimming tea. चलिए शुरू करते हैं हम बनाना slimming tea. So friends, first in a clean saucepan, you will be adding 250 ml of water and keep the flame on medium to high. इसमें हम डालेंगे दालचीनी, that is cinnamon, and all the ginger pieces. It is around 8 to 10 thin slices of ginger, 8 से 10 thin slices अदरक की, और हम इसे बहुत बॉईल करेंगे, पूरा जोश आने तक हम इसे बॉईल करेंगे. We are going to boil this very nicely. Take a strong boil for around 4 to 5 minutes. You can see the water has started boiling along with the cinnamon and ginger. आप देख सकते हो पानी बॉईल होना स्टार्ट हो चुका है और अदरक और दालचीनी भी अच्छी तरह से उसमें बॉईल हो रही है. See friends, the water has started boiling very nicely to a strong boil. Due to this boiling, all the extract of the cinnamon and ginger will come in the water. We will get a nice and strong decoction. बॉईल करने से अदरक और दालचीनी का पूरा अर्क पानी में आएगा और हमें एक अच्छी तरह का स्ट्रॉन्ग काढ़ा मिलेगा, जिससे हमारी बॉडी को बहुत सारे अच्छे इफ़ेक्ट्स होंगे. ये हमारे थायराइड, डायबिटीज़ और बाकी ग्लैंड्स के हार्मोन्स को भी रेगुलेट करेगा. इट इज़ गुड फॉर वेट लॉस. आपका एक्स्ट्रा बेली फैट कम होगा. So friends, this is really a magical drink. We get a lot of antioxidants through this, and it will work wonders for you. You drink at the right time before going to bed, and as soon as you get up without having anything, 2 times a day, and it will work wonders for you. So now our water has come to a full boil, and now I'm going to keep the flame on minimum and let this boil for 10 minutes exactly. So from now, see the time and let it boil for 10 minutes, and then we will switch off the stove. So friends, after boiling for 10 minutes, you can see the color of water has changed and it has got a nice brownish color there. And it is looking awesome, and the fragrance of cinnamon is just very tempting and very mesmerizing. It's just beautiful smell, and Even the taste of the slimming tea is very nice and you will feel very refreshing. So now I've got a very beautiful color there, and now it's time for me to switch off the stove and remove my extract from this. अब हम इसमें से पानी को अलग करते हैं, and let's remove this for making our cinnamon tea. So friends, gently pour the tea in the glass. So here I have poured the entire decoction in this glass, and we have to use this in 2 times. That is, half I'm going to use this before going to bed, and half I will be using as I get up without having anything. So now in this 1 glass I'm going to add 1 big tablespoon of honey or 2 teaspoons of honey. So in a teaspoon I'm going to take 1. So here I have taken 1 spoon. And 2 teaspoons. So either 1 teaspoon, either 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoon of honey in 250 ml of water. तो फ्रेंड्स, हमने इसमें 2 चाय के चम्मच शहद डाला है. And friends, this tea is just magical. The aroma is beautiful, lovely. So friends, you can see the color of this tea is just beautiful there, and it is so attractive, and the aroma of this tea is just magical, and it is a very good antioxidant, very good for your heart. So it's the best time for me to taste and tell you how is my drink. So it's so refreshing, so nice. I feel that all the tiredness is going away from my body and brains, and it is really refreshing and very nice. So I hope you will love my recipe and give me your feedback on how did you like it. So do try this cinnamon tea, that is slimming tea, and you will get best results from this tea if you have it according to I say, that is half before going to bed and half in the morning before you have anything. And this has the capacity to make wonders. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Please like my videos, comment to my videos. Also keep motivating me by new ideas, new suggestions, and what do you feel about this video. So meet you very soon with another video of your choice on your demand. Have a nice day. Bye bye.